real quick. Alright guys, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a drop down ceiling. It's pretty easy. Here, it's actually came down, it's slope. So what you want to do is you want to figure out how bad the slope is. So we first put this level right here, and you put it on the slope and press it on the slope. And now show them the wall. Right? And now, this is going to be the perfect height for the top of the 2x4, just to miss that. So once you get the proper height from the ceiling, you do the same level mark around the whole entire room. So you go from this corner right here, from the bottom of that 2x4, with the level mark. Hold on. You got that level mark there. You're gonna make this mark. Boom. You're gonna put it on that line right there. Everything will be perfect. So you're going off this one, make that flush, slide it down until it hits it. You show them?
Yep.
Now, there we go. That right there is perfect. Actually got the water. I can hang on it like a monkey. Are you recording?
Yeah. You got a hang on it?
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Yo.
So my guy had left real quick, so I'm just gonna show you guys how to do it by yourself. Remember, if you don't got help, you gotta make it. So we started off right there at the corner where it's gonna be level at, and then you run that line, you still make that same line, and then you just put a screw right underneath the line to hold it for you. So while that's being held over there, you screw that in, boom, and then screw the end one in, boom, and then you're all good.
That's good. I can do it.
Let me just let you guys know something real quick. So I'm doing a drop down ceiling, and with a drop down ceiling, you don't have to frame it as if you were doing a wall. You're good to actually put a stud like every 24 inches. So I would technically need one right there, and then one right there. But because we can see the condition of the ceiling above it, we know that these pieces are gonna break off and add weight to the drywall. So with that being said, I'm gonna frame it as if it was a wall. So I'm gonna put 2 studs here and 2 studs there, and that's one still okay with one. This way, when all this wall starts to crumble and fall, the drywall can take the weight rather than it being spread apart with only one stud. You know, it's just a quality way to do it. best part of making it tight and a snug fit like that is it doesn't move when you're trying to drill it. One, always two. Alright guys, so what I'm doing right now is I'm just making it easier for the drywall guy because I'm not doing the drywall. So what I did is I'm about to show you. Is I cut a piece of wood at 8 feet and then, because you know the drywall she's coming 4 by 8. So I cut a piece at 8 feet, this is 8 feet. Put it down to the wall and then wherever 8 feet ends I make a line. Just like that. So I can make, then you cut 2 by 4. You just want to make a spot for the drywall to go to. More money, buddy. You gotta know. So I just went ahead and put these right here, right there, boom. So the drywall is 8 feet, so it's gonna come up to this line. The drywall is 8 feet, so it's gonna come up to this line, boom. And then the other drywall, he's gonna have to cut a piece, it's gonna have to go from here over, but at least it has something to touch. A lot of framers just throw up the thing. They don't take into consideration how, you know, to make it really easier for the drywall guys. So just making it easy for the drywall guy. Okay guys, and here the job is all done. I already leveled it. Perfect. Perfect job. Got the baby to the 8 feet. Make it easier for me. Got the full room, scoop of the room. Gotta leave a block up there just cause you just gotta leave something there. You know, you gotta leave your mark, like Disney, leave your mark on the world. So I'm gonna leave that there just cause. And there we go. Thanks for watching, guys.